Come on, Bubba's. Come on. Oh, they're good. Oh, they're going to try to practice the weave poles now. You guys going to practice the weave poles? Let's do the weave poles. Come on, Bubba's. Weave poles, weave poles, weave poles. Come on. Come on, in this way. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on through this way. Come on through. Oh, look at it. Oh, she cheated. Oh, she cheated. Oh, you baby. Come on through. Come on through. Practice the weave poles. You guys are too cute. Oh, good weave pole. Well, did you see that? That was the best jump ever. I know it. I'm so glad he got that on video.
Yeah.
Come on, Bubba's. One last hurdle. Do it. Come on, Bubba. Come on. Come on, Bubba. Come on. Oh. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. He's like, no. Oh, yay! Yay! He jumped his first hurdle.